Hello, welcome everybody again to my English orientation class again. Dear students, they are my students and also the students of different school and colleges. We are missing you very much because we are out of the class for a long time. Dear students, it's very hard for you to stay home, but for your safety, please stay home. Don't move outside unnecessarily. Dear students, today our class is on completing sentence again. This is the second class of completing sentence. In the previous class, I showed you how to complete a sentence by using first condition. Dear students, remind. Could you remind? Okay, dear students. In the previous class, we saw that how we could formate a completing sentence by using first condition. And this is if or unless adding unless and the sentence is in present tense, then we can easily say that this is first condition. Dear students, today we shall see how we can make a second condition. Dear students, we know that to make a condition, we have to select first if unless. So, look at the whiteboard. Dear students, completing sentence by using second condition. Second condition. In the previous class, I showed you first condition. But today I will show you how to make a sentence, how to complete a sentence by using the second condition. Second condition. The students, look at, I arranged a birthday party yesterday. If you attend my birthday party, yes, yesterday I arranged a birthday party. It's the news of happy. So, if you attend my birthday party, অর্থাৎ যদি তুমি আমার জন্মদিনের অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত হতে, what will happen? Yes, this is the second sentence, I mean subordinate clause. If you attend my birthday party, I would be happy. If you see the conditional clause is in past tense, then we can say that this is second condition. অর্থাৎ শর্তযুক্ত বাক্যটি যদি past tense থাকে ভার্বটা, look at attend, past tense. So this is second condition. If we see this is second condition, then in the subordinate clause after subject you can add would, could or might. ফার্স্ট কন্ডিশনে কি যোগ করেছিলাম? ক্যান, মে এবং শেল উইল। ঠিক এমনই করে আমরা যদি সেকেন্ড কন্ডিশন দেখি, তখন সাবজেক্টের পরে উড, মাইট, কুড ব্যবহার করব এবং বুঝে পরবর্তীতে ওই সেন্টেন্সের সাথে মিল রেখে তোমার শুধু প্রয়োজন একটা সঠিক ভার্ব যোগ করা। ওকে, if you attend my birthday party, I would be happy. I would be glad to you. In this way, you can make so many sentences. Dear students, have you understood? I think you could. Okay. Dear students, look at the second sentence. SSC result has been published. If I had an internet connection, yes, your ACC result has been published just now. So you are running to get your result. So, but you are trying to get your result. So ACC result has been published. If I had an internet connection, অর্থাৎ আমার যদি একটা ইন্টারনেট সংযোগ থাকতো তাহলে কি করতাম? Yes, I would search my result. I would search my result. Okay, the students. Or you can add here, I could search my result. I might search my result. Okay, the students understand? Okay, look at another example. Birds fly in the sky. If I were a bird, birds fly in the sky. If I were a bird, what will be happen? Yes, আমি যদি পাখি হতাম, yes, you can fill up this in this way. I would fly in the sky. I would fly in the sky. অর্থাৎ আমি যদি পাখি হতাম তাহলে আমি আকাশে উড়ে বেড়াতাম। মানুষের মনের এই তো বাসনা থাকে মাঝে মাঝে পাখিকে উড়া দেখে মানুষ আকাশে উড়তে চায়। So this is second condition. Dear students, look at another example. I wanted to perform Hajj. If I were rich, if I were rich, অর্থাৎ as we are Muslims, every Muslim has a dream to perform Hajj, to go to Makkah. Okay, the students, I wanted to perform Hajj, but my condition, if I were rich, what will be happen? I would go to Makkah to perform Hajj. অর্থাৎ আমি যদি ধনী হতাম আমি মক্কায় হজ উদযাপনের জন্য যেতাম। The students, this is example of second condition. Okay, understand? The students, but students, look at the last sentence. If I had a computer, if I had a computer, computer nowadays, computer is a part and parcel of our day-to-day life. But somebody has no computer. So this is a wish. If I had a computer, অর্থাৎ আমার যদি একটা কম্পিউটার থাকতো তাহলে তুমি পূরণ করো, পরের বাক্যটা তোমার মতো করে পূরণ করো। তুমি কি করতা? অর্থাৎ তুমি in your age you like to play games. So I have filled up this in this way. If I had a computer, I would play games. Dear students, it's very easy and interesting how to fill a sentence by using second condition. So again, at the end of the class, please remind what we have learned today's lesson. Today's lesson, we have learned that how we can complete a sentence by using second condition. When we say that this is second condition, when we see that the first sentence is in past tense, then we can easily say that this is second condition. So if we see second condition, then after the first sentence, next in subordinate clause, after subject you will add would, could, might, and then what then? Then you have to choose a appropriate verb. Then it will be completed. Okay, dear students, I think you can understand. Please remind this sentence. Please exercise this sentence at your home. Still then, and After this class, you will see again completing sentence by using thought condition. Till then, please wait. Bye.